Hello and welcome back to One Source Overseas. And today we have Pragati with us and her father. Pragati is going to Queensland University of Technology in Australia. Now, Queensland University of Technology is ranked number one for media and communication studies. It is ranked number one for robotics in Australia. It is ranked number third in terms of art and design courses, and number sixth for health and nursing. Queensland University of Technology is ranked 34th in the world for nursing programs and health related programs. So it's truly amazing. It's a commendable thing that you're getting into Queensland University of Technology. Very, very, very congratulations to you. Tell me now, since we have been through this journey overall, can you tell about your profile a little bit to the students or the spectators who are watching us?
Okay, so I am Pragati Vishwanath Shutarkar. He is my father. I have done my BSc chemistry. Then I did my post graduation in quality assurance. I did a job for 1 year. So while I was working there, I thought that I should study more to enhance my skills. When I was working there, I really liked the health background when I was working there. So thought of continuing this. So I chose this university. So I got the reference from my friend. She is currently in Australia only. So I met you.
Right.
Then we had a discussion. We shortlisted the universities. I like this university because this university has a more of an outsource exposure, like internships. They give you hands-on experiences. There are many workshops there. So this is not only the practice work which we do here, like in India, like reading books and everything. Theoretical. There we get to know, like we do practical work more.
Aspects.
So I chose this university. Because of my health, little bit of health background, I chose Masters of Health Management and Leadership there, which also includes the same background like quality management, digital health. Why health is important digitally now.
Correct.
And all the other units are very interesting. So that's the main reason I chose this course and this program.
So many times, students look at the QS World Ranking for an overall ranking of the courses or overall ranking of the university.
Okay.
What we generally think that if you're going for a particular domain, for example, if you're going for mechanical engineering, so Queensland is in top 10 for mechanical. But if you're choosing a subject that is probably, say, business administration, and if the university is ranked 30th in Australia, it doesn't make sense if you're going for MBA. But you should look for a ranking according to your course, and that's why QUT is ranked 34th in the world. So it's definitely an amazing achievement. And the second achievement to top up the cherry on the cake is she's also got 25% tuition fees waiver. That is a scholarship, international merit-based scholarship. Again, congratulations on that. Pragati has been able to save 5 lakhs to the tune of 5 lakhs on a total first year tuition fees. So the tuition fees has definitely brought some relief. क्या लगता है आपको कि how did it help on the waiver of the tuition fees?
ट्यूशन फीस हमारे लिए तो बहुत है
5 lakhs, yeah, of course it's a huge tuition fees. अगर अपने को tuition fees waiver मिला 25% waiver मिला, that really help us.
बहुत ही हेल्प हो गया हम लोग को कॉलेज की तरफ से.
But now she is going. How are you feeling? तुम्हाला कसं वाटतंय?
खूप छान वाटतंय. माझा असं वाटतंय की माझा फिलिंग असं आहे की माझी मुलगी तिथे जाऊन शिकेल, खूप मोठी होईल आणि स्वतःच्या कर्तृत्वावर ती शिक्षण घेणार आहे.
It's a very proud feeling.
very proud feeling.
So he's a proud dad. Again, recommending this course also brings me back to the question, like, if you're going into the health sector in Australia, why Australia or why health service? So basically this skill is in health service managers. They are in skill shortage, skilled occupation list. So anybody who is going there into this domain, it's going to be easier for them to crack a job. Anybody who is having an experience of around 1 year or who's a fresher can start from a tune of 60 to 70,000 Australian dollars as an annual package, and that goes up to $150,000 within a span of 5 years. So that's like 80-85 lakhs annual package, which is definitely a good start. So having said that, this particular domain is in skill shortage and is definitely going to help you. What kind of homework are you doing currently in order to preparing yourself for the journey?
So like if you have some time and you prepare on your skills, you can do some courses which will help you there related to your field. So my field is health. So I did some courses related to health only, like some data entry courses I did here.
Okay.
And the other courses which will help me there to get a part-time job also while studying there, and based on that, while working or while studying there, we can continue on the skills which I have developed.
Exactly. So skills like Tableau,
Tableau,
skills
Power
like Power
BI.
BI, SQL, all these courses are definitely going to help. Along with that, of course, the management degree to top it up, it is going to help you to get a part-time job. And mind you that the part-time job that you're doing, those hours are calculated towards your full-time employment. So when you are actually going to work for a company, they're going to consider your work experience
Correct.
in Australia, even though if it is part-time. So that is another thing. Coming down to we as OneSource, as a guide, as a mentor, how did the whole process went for you? How did the whole communication process, because communication is the most important when you are traveling abroad, these universities, there is a lot of processes that will come right from shortlisting to consultation to application to visa.
Correct.
What is your take on this? How's the feedback for us?
So like I met you through my friend.
Yeah,
So
Diksha.
we met through her. So we had a consultation. It was so good that I wanted to finalize this as soon as possible. So I was planning for my July intake, but
July intake.
because of some reasons, it delayed.
Right.
But I would really like to thank Aarti.
Correct.
So she was like the backbone of my process. She was
Process.
pushing me through each and every document. She was going through it. She was helping, like, Pragati, you have to do this and not
Literally,
this.
she pushes.
She was pushing you.
Yeah.
So she was really She
Correct.
really helped me through all the till now, till like today only I messaged her that I'm going to meet sir and maybe next week I'll come to meet you also to say a final goodbye.
Okay.
So the experience was really good, like the guidance which we need to like fulfill our achievement we can get here.
Correct.
If you dream something of doing it, you have to come here and they will help you. They will definitely help you and you can get there by yourself also.
Thank you very much for the kind words. Sir, how was your experience in terms of, because see, as a student, she is telling how the application went. But as a parent, right, from the financial perspective, पैसे arrange करण्यापासून, how did the whole process go for you? The guidance for the visa process.
आता हे सर्व माझ्यासाठी खूप डिफिकल्ट होतं. एवढा पैसा जमा करायचंय,
Correct.
तिकडे नाम पाठवायचंय,
I know.
म्हणजे आता मी भावनिक होतोय.
That's okay.
म्हणजे फायनान्शियल एवढे पैसे आणायचे म्हणून हा माझा मोठा प्रश्न होता. पण तुम्ही लोकांनी एवढे गाईड केलं, चांगलं सगळं, आमचे पैसे अरेंज केले, कसे पैसे गोळा करायचे, काय करायचं, पुरा म्हणजे पुरी टीम तुमची टीम आहे ती आमच्या मुलीला सगळं पुरे गायडन्स करून त्या सगळं एकदम व्यवस्थित बोलायचं, त्यांचा आम्हाला पूर्ण सपोर्ट होता, अपडेट होता. म्हणून आम्हाला खूप हे वाटते की नाही, खरं आम्हाला तुम्ही खूप चांगलं गायडन्स केलं आणि याच्या पुढे पण जे पण येतील त्यांना
Your emotions, they आहेत ना, your tears and everything is coming from the heart, and that vibrations we can feel. And trust me, I have seen like mostly when a girl father,
Correct.
of course a boy, म्हणजे मुलं येतात त्यांचे पेरेंट्स असतात, but
बरोबर.
they don't get that emotional. But I have observed that when it's a girl child na, father always they get emotional. They will shed some tears when giving the testimonial.
बरोबर.
But it really touches. It's definitely something that shows the dedication, the feeling, the emotion that you're going through. And we really feel good if we, जेव्हा तुम्ही म्हणतात की माझं हे ड्रीम होतं किंवा it was not possible for me but you guys helped me, so it also gives us a sense of achievement and we can relate somewhere, like what your emotions are, how thankful you are to us, but at the same time the emotion that she is leaving. So ठीक है, that is a part of journey, but you will not regret, that's my promise. she's going abroad. You will always be cheerful about it after 6 months when you see what she is doing, how she is achieving her dream. त्याच्यानंतर तुम्हाला you are going to be happy about it. So it is a difficult time. You have 20-25 days. Your small princess is, she is flying, but it is a good thing. Trust me, you'll be really happy about it later on.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
He loves you so much, huh?
I know.
Thank you. So since the process went well, everything went well, I think the only thing that we want you to do is the courses that we discussed a while back.
Correct.
You have another 20-25. All said and done, many congratulations, and we wish you all the best. May God help you to achieve great heights, and may the proud father feel even more prouder. So all the best from OneSource Overseas. Thank you for giving us the testimonial, and whatever information we have shared here, may that help you with choosing your right university and a right country for your right course. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
So join us at QUT.
The university for the real world.